How to create and use custom menus. Custom menus gives you the ability to create your own menus based on whatever pages and links you want in your actual menu. If we take a look at this example blog, you can see at the top here, this is the menu. We can customize it using the WordPress custom menus. In your WordPress dashboard, under Appearance, you can see an option called Menus. Click on Menus, and this is the interface that you see. To create a new menu, let's begin by entering a menu name. I'll call mine Main Menu, and then click Create Menu. The next part is to select menu items such as pages, categories, and links. On the left side here, you'll see custom links, pages, and categories that you can add to your menu. Let's first add pages. I'm going to select the Contact Us page and also the About page, and then click Add to Menu. And as you can see, it's now in the main menu. I can save the menu now. The next thing you want to do now is make sure that your primary navigation is now using your new custom menu. And then click Save. If I go back to my blog, you can see now the new menu. If I want to arrange it in a different way, I can do so by simply dragging the items accordingly. If I want the About link to be before the Contact Us link, then I simply drag it on top and then save the menu. Now if I refresh, you can see now it's changed over. I can also add direct links. Let's put in an example here. So on the custom links, this is where I entered my URL, and then entering a label. This is going to be called Google, and then add to the menu. And as you can see, it's now here. I'm going to save the menu. If I refresh my blog, you can see the new tab here, which goes to google.com. If I want to delete a menu, I can simply just click the Delete Menu button here. Please be aware that some themes do not support menus. However, most of the pre-installed WordPress themes support menus.